Good evening, everyone. Today, our group is going to present on Bluetooth technology. Our group members are myself, Kishore, his Pragathi, his Sudhakar, Deepthi, Sunny, and Srikanth. Uh, uh, in the next few minutes, we are going to present these contents like introduction history, how does the Bluetooth operates, applications, advantages and disadvantages, and concluding with the current and future trends. Who invented Bluetooth? Bluetooth. This is considered as the fastest growing technology ever. Behind this statement lies hard work and lots of collaborations. Here you can see in the figure the King Harald Bluetooth Blatant. He lived in Denmark in the latter part of 19th century. He ruled Denmark in that century, and his major achievement was to unite and control Denmark and Sweden. Bluetooth is all about communication. It unifies or allows wireless communication. This is one of the first modules that was launched by Ericsson in 1994. What is Bluetooth? Bluetooth wireless technology is an open specification, and Bluetooth wireless technology is a popular way to replace existing wireline connections with wireless interconnectivity. And a fundamental Bluetooth technology is that its strength is the ability to simultaneously handle both data and voice transmissions. In the down, you can see the logo of Bluetooth. It's a trademark owned by the Bluetooth Special Interest Group. When you carefully observe that was in the blue color, the logo, it is based on the H&B runes of the king name, that is Harald Bluetooth H&B runes. It's a special interest group which consists of 5 promoters: Ericsson, IBM, Intel, Nokia, and Toshiba. And later on, there are other 4 promoters included in this group: 3Com, Lucent, Microsoft, and Motorola. And now, until today, there are almost more than 3,000 companies that were in this group, and with their different knowledge and power of initiative, they make the future of Bluetooth more than promising. It's a ultimate headset. It is called ultimate headset. The Bluetooth is an ultimate headset because today the term wireless the term wireless is being used more and more everywhere, and in just a few years, different kinds of manufacturers speculates that almost every computer peripheral will be wireless, kitchen tools will be controlled cordlessly, entire houses will be accessible without wires, and therefore there are many more possible wireless applications. Several large companies, to fulfill these requirements with Ericsson, has developed and adopted a technique called Bluetooth. This is a short-range microwave-based radio system. But one can be sure that the Bluetooth will play a great and important role in the world of tomorrow. Next, the Pragathi continues.
And my topic is how the Bluetooth works. Generally, cable used for connecting a computer to a peripheral gives a clue what the function of the connected devices are. But here, Bluetooth carries a double LAN concept, and it is generally used in a room or on a person, and it is called as a personal local area network. And this is how the Bluetooth is connected to devices. Here the communication goes from the HCI firmware to Bluetooth HCI driver. HCI firmware is located in module A. It's like a device, and it is in the HCI activated Bluetooth, and it implements the HCI commands for the HCI activated Bluetooth and access the baseband command, link manager commands, hardware status register, control register, and the event register. Whereas the HCI driver is located in the host, and it receives the event command, and it receives the event, and Asynchronous notifications of HCI events. HCI events are used for notifying the host when something occurs. When the host discovers that event has occurred, it will then pass the received event packet to determine which event occurred. The HCI driver and the firmware communication occurs through the host controller transport layer. And these are the and this is the OSI reference model for communication of the computers, and these are 7 layers. And in physical layer, it consists of physical layer interface, which contains the rules how to communicate, and comes to the data link layer, in which it consists of media access control and the logical link control. Media access control, it contains a set of rules that determine the structure of basic data packets and how they are sent. And the logical link control provides protocol for link establishment and the detachment. Network layer provides transfer of data between the two devices. And when it comes to the transport layer, it includes optimization of routines and quality of service method for the efficient transfer of data. And then session layer contains method for controlling dialogue between applications on either end of the link. And then the presentation layer resolves the difference between format of the data. And then the application layer provides the means by which it can connect to the OSI environment. And the next applications will be continued by the Deepthi.
Due to its tremendous potential in transferring and synchronization of data in a localized setting, Bluetooth finds its application in various fields. Automatic synchronization of desktop, mobile computer, notebook and mobile phone can be achieved. For example, as soon as you enter your office, the address list and your calendar in your notebook will be automatically be updated to agree with the one in your desktop, or vice versa. And Bluetooth also allows us to have 3-way phones, which means that at home the phone is considered as it functions as a portable phone, and the same phone it acts as a mobile phone when you are on a move, and when this phone comes within the range of another phone, which with inbuilt Bluetooth wireless technology, it functions as a walkie-talkie. And the other application is when a Bluetooth is enabled with a digital camera, it can send still or video images from any location to any location without the hassle of connecting the camera to a mobile phone on wires. And the next application is related to Bluetooth in flight. Traditionally, mobile phones were causing interference to the plane due to the plane navigational systems, but due to the development of Bluetooth technology, it has now become easy to send and receive mails even when in flight on an aeroplane. And not only in the IT field, Bluetooth has developed even in medical field. Even medical field is finds its various applications. And traditionally, patient monitoring was involved with a variety of cable and interface standards, which contributed to the complication and complexity of healthcare. But now with the technology of Bluetooth, it has become easy with cable-free connections between devices like computers, printers, and other peripherals.